The most successful launch yet is actually a product called Ramp Sheets, and it's been going kind of viral on tech Twitter over the last couple of months. This is a product that we built really for finance teams. What it is kind of an AI agent that is fully secure. It's able to perform really long-running, complex spreadsheet builds, but it's also able to go to the external web, perform research on your behalf, bring all of that data from those research reports into the spreadsheets themselves. This is something that's available to everybody. I'll reiterate it again later. Like, you don't have to have a Ramp account. And if you have a Ramp account, we're obviously going to be working on integrating this more deeply into the Ramp product as well. So a couple of quick examples of what we've done with Ramp Sheets. I'll start with a workflow that I imagine every finance team recognizes, which is building the 13-week cash flow forecast. Rule number one of finance: don't run out of money. As you know all too well, this forecast is often in a fragile spreadsheet. It can take hours to set up. It can break whenever the assumptions change. And you're trying to use this for really critical scenario planning. And so accuracy and dynamicness is really crucial. So we basically asked with a set of initial assumptions for the generation of that 13-week cash flow forecast. And within about 20, 30 seconds, you could see the structure of that model being built. And I think the things that I would say I'd call out there is you could have uploaded a sheet of the input data yourself if you'd wanted to. And it is a fully dynamic model. So every cell there is a formula. The ones that aren't, the hard-coded assumptions, are kind of color-coded like you'd want in a model. The input here was literally just a list of kind of the high-level financial data that you would need to populate this forecast. But as I said, it could just as easily have been an input spreadsheet. And then what it also included was a set of checks that would basically flag for any months where you were seeing cash flow getting dangerously low. And it figured out all of that, like the need to do those flags without even having to say it, because we've trained Ramp Sheets to kind of have a general understanding of kind of the finance function under the hood as well. Well, and so yeah, labs.ramp.com/sheets if you want to go and play with it right now. I think as a next analysis, what I want to cover is vendor spend. So let's take a scenario where we have a bunch of vendor data, so a big data file here. And what we've basically got is hundreds of lines. We're going to add in as a prompt. We want to create a vendor summary. We want to show charts within this. We want to group vendors by high risk and low risk. And basically, you see it's going to do many steps of thinking. So I think for those who maybe have just used ChatGPT before, you typically ask a question, 10 seconds later, you get an answer, and that's the interaction. What's happening under the hood in Ramp Sheets and a lot of these Copilot tools is dozens of steps happening in a row. You saw in Nicholas's version, it was able to correct its own mistakes. You can see down at the bottom here that there's a task list. So at the beginning of every Ramp Sheets task, it's actually going to lay out a plan. And you're going to be able to take a look at that plan and see how it's progressing as it goes. So you can see here, we've now got, the beginning of vendor spend. This is not us clicking around. It actually will live show you its own clicks around your spreadsheet as it builds out the result. You can see we've grouped these successfully into strategic versus lower risk, lower cost vendors. Now it's going to go through and do some formatting work for us as well. Has decently good taste. I probably would have picked different colors, but that's okay. And yeah, so within about 1 minute, you're seeing we have the summary. On top of that, we can ask for details and insights to come out of it in the chat itself. So you've probably potentially tried loading a piece of information into ChatGPT and asking it some questions. What are the themes and the summaries? Ramp Sheets can also do all of that directly within the same single prompt. So now we've got a sense of like what infrastructure we should be doubling down on, what vendors are having rising cost versus falling cost. And again, in about 2 minutes, with one CSV file uploaded and a thoughtful prompt about what you wanted, you're able to get to some value. And then as a final example, let me show comp benchmarking is an interesting one. Let me pop it up full screen here. So maybe you're at the time of year where you have to figure out the comp packages for the executive team. You can also ask for that because Ramp Sheets has access to the web. And so in this case, what we asked for was for Ramp Sheets to go and complete a comp benchmarking. Let me actually go back now that I can pause here. You can see we basically listed out some roles. We said a few places we think have reliable data, so Glassdoor and Levels FYI. And we asked for a quick format of percentile ranges, comp estimates. And then because we didn't want to include the comp data right now, we said add a column where I can put in the comp of our actual team, but then based on that, include formulas that will automatically populate whether that person's comp is in range. And so then as this gets put together, you can see in the finished model, it's all dynamic again. So you can start entering the comp and it'll tell you automatically whether that's above or below market based on the percentiles that it's looking at. And so again, this might be now a little tool that in about a minute and a half, couple minutes, you've built out and you can share around with the team to figure out kind of comp benchmarking. And the great part is we have download, so you can download any output into an Excel file that'll preserve all of the things that you built. And then we also have share mode, which actually allows you to share a link. And if the person that you share it with is in your organization, they can open that same link and use the place where you left off as a starting point in ramp sheets. So they can ask questions or extend the model further. And when you refresh that ramp sheet, it'll show those changes too. So collaboration is very easy, both in the spreadsheet as well as in the AI engagement. So that's where ramp sheets is today. I cannot emphasize enough kudos to the team who built this, that this was all built probably in the last 3 months or so. And so in the same way that we believe that we're getting faster and faster at using AI, building for AI tools is getting faster as well. And so that's the Ramp Sheets experience. And sorry for the technical difficulties and sticking with us, but yeah, labs.ramp.com/sheets if you want to give it a try today. If you have a Ramp Plus agreement, it's absolutely like unlimited usage. If you don't, even if you don't have a Ramp account at all, you can definitely still get in there, start using it. You can get pretty far. And so shoot us questions if you have them as you get started, but we'd love for everyone to give it a try.